Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the ETRADE mobile app, a user-friendly platform that lets you buy and sell stocks right from your phone. If you're new to trading or want to manage your investments on the go, this guide will walk you through the basics. The ETRADE mobile app is designed to make trading accessible and efficient. Here's how to get started. Download and log in. Install the ETRADE mobile app from your app store and log in with your account credentials. If you're new to ETRADE, you'll need to create an account and complete the verification process first. Explore the dashboard. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app's interface. The dashboard provides quick access to your portfolio, watch lists, and market trends. Search for stocks. Use the search bar to find the stock you're interested in. The app provides detailed stock information, including price charts, performance history, and analyst ratings. Execute a trade. To buy or sell, select the stock and click the Trade button. Enter the number of shares, set the order type, e.g., market or limit, and review the details before confirming the trade. Track your investments. Use the portfolio section to monitor your holdings, check real-time performance, and manage open orders. The app also provides alerts to keep you updated on market movements. With the ETRADE mobile app, managing your investments has never been easier, whether you're trading stocks, ETFs, or other securities. Are you using the ETRADE mobile app or another trading platform? Share your tips in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.